me just double check.
Your audio's fine on... Ooh, you're echoing.
On here, it's fine. I'm echoing?
Hey, it was me who couldn't hear you.
Oh, you couldn't hear me, but I think on stream I was also not.
I'll check on stream.
Somebody check on stream. I don't want to leave out our viewers on Twitch. We got another viewer also. I mean, follower. Andy Pro Lol 23. Thanks, Andy. You guys can find us on...
Your stream's fine on LinkedIn.
Okay.
Yeah, LinkedIn's good.
All right, thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Chat, you're awesome. Our mods are awesome in Triba. We couldn't do this without them. Honestly, I couldn't stream like I do without such an awesome team helping me take care of the content creation. So your payment will go pretty much straight to paying somebody to actually be like full-time editor, chopping up the video. I think that's what the sub stuff is going to go to first, because really we just need to let people know, more people know about what's happening in here. I don't want to run ads on Triba. I don't want to do any of that. I just want to put out the content that we've clipped. I have hours and hours of content and clips from Triba that are all great, and we have like a couple dozen on TikTok and Twitter. Like, I'm talking hours of clips, all broken into, and most of them titled topically. It'd be so easy for me to do this, but I'm just so busy. So the first subscriber we have, I'll show you guys exactly what is going on. Let's go look at it. Very open about the whole thing. So server subscriptions, you know the tiers. I haven't launched a community builder, but it's in the works as part of it. You know, kind of like, this is more consulting, and it's probably not going to be $19.99. It's probably going to be like $99.99. We'll workshop that. But the majority of people voted. Average was $8, so we went with 8. Payment, I don't know why it says -12. We literally have just kept getting new subs. -1. Did somebody unsub? I don't think anybody unsubbed. So this first $100 is going to go to, which is awesome. First of all, woohoo! Thank you, Triba, for supporting this. I've been wanting to do a subscription for so long, and so far it's all just come out of my pocket, but y'all are amazing. Thank you for helping us with this by putting in $8 a month. That means so much to me. And I feel like empowered to really lead this community into a whole new stage. We are poised as the bridge between Web 2 and Web 3 business, which is exciting. And there's people popping up. I was literally started this call, and this dude was on LinkedIn just shilling his community, which is not the way to do it. If you want to shill something, do it. Or if you want to like promote something, go to events with other people like Ace of Spades. He's got a Discord. And now I'd happily talk about it because he's been in here, complimented me, he participating in the event. I'm like, all right, you know, it's not going to hurt me to send people to him. If it's great, they love it, they love me. But this other guy jumped on the LinkedIn and immediately just said, best business community out there, this one, and like posted his link. Can you guys see my screen? Alex Furrier, sorry I'm calling you out, dude, but like that's not the way to do it. I don't know if you were joking or what, but yeah, he said you're also good to see you're doing AI, Midjourney, ChatGPT, logos and blogs. Yeah, that's adding value. So you should have done that first probably, and then said something about business network. But I clicked on it. Anyways, circling back around to the point of all this, thank you for your subs. And as you can see, that money needs to go to helping grow the social media. So let's look at some of the tools we're using as well. Any thoughts? Anything y'all want to see? Woohoo! Sub hype! Woo! Echo. Speakers other than Sam are echoing. Is it because I'm so loud? Or what? I haven't heard any echo. Either my headphones are dead or something is off right now. Is anyone talking?
The desktop audio might be in a feedback loop between the output-input software, right?
Oh, is it? Okay. Let's stop streaming my screen. Okay.
How about now?
Is it echoing?
Yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, you're all good now.
Oh, it was echoing that whole time? I'm sorry. Apologies. It looks like the stream's actually frozen, too. This is just a disaster. This is just a disaster. Is my camera frozen? Is my Discord crashing?
No, wasn't frozen for me.
Am I alive? Is this heaven?
I think we should clip this.
If it's even working, I don't even think I exist online anymore. I'm looking at LinkedIn and it's like still the intro. Freaking new animated the join our community thing I did. So
I'm literally watching your LinkedIn right now. I'm watching your LinkedIn right now, and you are live, and it looks fine.
Okay. All right. Well, let me show you guys some of these tools, and you tell me if there's any ones that you want to talk about specifically. I'm gonna start off with Notion's new stuff because it's pretty awesome. Co-working. Which Google is it going to be on? Okay. Can you guys see my screen here?
Yep.
You can see the screen? Okay. Let me just move it. I had this all set up and then everything just went to poop. Alright, so I used ChatGPT to make the title for this event and the description. But I've found a lot of stuff I do, I have to edit it and adapt it. If you don't give it like every detail you want. But it actually simplified it because I would have spent 5 minutes thinking about a good name. I probably would have come up about the same thing, but it did it in 0.5 seconds. So that was nice. I just changed it a little bit for the different platforms and then put it on the Restream. I made an event, set the destination to LinkedIn, YouTube, and it automatically did it to Twitch, LinkedIn, YouTube. It's all live. So very simple. If anybody wants to know like how I make the content on all the platforms, use Restream. You get 3 for free, and then you can see, from Twitch. But I wanted to go to Notion and look at this. Has anybody played around with Notion recently? No one? So I also made a community marketing cover letter in Notion. And I was testing out to see how it would do if I gave it really specific details. And now I don't actually have the details or what I gave it, the prompt. I think I can go back and look at the history. Cover letter, yeah. So I put in a whole job description and my experience, and then I had to go back and I changed a lot of it. This is not exactly what it said. But that's, Notion is basically just a notepad mixed with a document and planning templates. And then it has this AI built into it. So let's go over to notion.ai. So if you aren't in this already, you might have to join the waitlist. I don't know why I got in it without clicking that, but we'll watch the demo real quick.
Today, we're introducing Notion AI, which brings the power of artificial intelligence directly into your Notion workspace. Let's say we're writing a blog post to introduce Notion AI. It's as simple as asking AI Assist for help and clicking Generate Post. Next, just sit back and watch as artificial intelligence completes your first draft. Notion AI is also super talented at helping you brainstorm whenever you get stuck. In this case, let's brainstorm ideas for promoting our new feature.
I wish Liam was here.
Looks great. Notion AI likes to think big, but it's also good at smaller things, like fixing spelling and grammar. Perfect. Need help with translation? Watch Notion AI translate in real time.
Oh my gosh. How are kids supposed
Magic.
to do? No one's gonna
The
actually
truth is, sometimes we all just get stuck. And in those cases, Notion AI can help you write. Just ask it.
Oh no.
Okay,
They broke it.
a little bit bold, but we'll take it.
It's a pretty creative little ad. What do you guys think? That's insanely powerful capabilities. If it just basically uses ChatGPT to do specific tasks. So now we have the basic OpenAI, the playground where you can make long form content. If you wanted to write you a whole freaking Medium article, it can. Then you can make it, tailor it. Or you can use Notion to take a block of text like this. I'm pretty sure you can do it like this. Select the text. Nope, that's not how you do it. Let's try selecting all that. Ask AI. Click Ask AI. Improve writing. Fix spelling and grammar. Make it longer. Make it shorter. Change the tone. What the heck? This is freaking awesome. Straightforward. I gotta try these. Simplify a language. What should I try first? Simplify a language.
I'd say simplify.
I'm gonna do that because it's got the star. I'm interested in your marketing position. It said your. I'm gonna actually do it even more. Interested in marketing is my area of expertise. Have tech communication skills. Know a lot about marketing and build community. Produce over 1,000 hours live content in last 5 years. Experience social media digital marketing, Web3 and bridge spaces. Can help team engage and build community. Understand trends, technologies, metaverse industry, and Web3 culture. Can manage and grow social media on different platforms, including Discord, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, and live streaming Web3 channels. Have background in engineering, human psychology, AI, marketing, website design. At this point, I'm committed, so I'm just going through the whole thing. I am flexible. Can adjust team, role, working hour. Has good communication skill. Partnership, conversation. Focused. Metrics, performance indicators. Smooth running. Okay, the AI does better than me. We have that's our conclusion here. I will rate it. How could the output be improved? That's okay. I always do feedback. Is good. Thanks for submitting feedback. Okay. This is pretty good. Insert below, continue writing, make it longer. You can make it try again too. What does that do? Does it make it different? Try again. What is it going to do? This is actually better, I think. I should have kept the other one though. Stop. Should I press stop? Should I do it? Should I stop it? Oh, it's almost done. Insert below. Alright, what should we try next? This is pretty good. It's pretty good.
There is something like a detection under the tail, you know this? Then you try to pull it in there and see if it's flagged as a AI content.
I'm having a hard time hearing you, man. What? Can you maybe let me turn your mic up or bring it closer to your face?
Yeah, so it's upside down. So there is an AI detector. Wait, I'm gonna put the link into the chat. Can you try to place it in there to see if it's flagged as AI content?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I haven't tried it yet. Copy this.
I'd want to know how well the grammar or like the sentence structure converts when you transfer it over to a different language.
What
So
do
you know, like when you transfer it over on like just like a regular Google Translator, it's like broken and nearly unreadable for like a native reader.
Okay.
Speaker.
Give me that link. While you do that, I'm gonna translate it to what language?
I do Swedish. I'm a native Swedish speaker.
Okay, it's not even on here. What language that's on here? Italian. Let's do Italian.
yeah,
It's too late.
anybody speaking
Let's
Italian?
go in Italian. Go in Italian.
Anybody speaking
I don't
Italian?
speak Italian.
I speak Italian. You didn't know that about me, did you, Emma?
No.
Alright, this is going to be fun. So what we're going to do after this is done, we're going to re-translate it to English and see how well it does. Because if it's perfect, it should work, right? Insert below. Now, ask AI, translate back to English. I wonder if it knows and it's just like, here's the same thing. You
It just
dumbass.
saves
It's
it.
just above you right there. Scroll up. Okay, so now let's move it up and compare it. Alright, this is the new one. This is the old one. I'd love... So it changed love to like. As this is my area of expertise. I specialize in marketing community. Hey, it got a lot of this right. Like, I have training in engineering, human psychology, and social interaction. This is not bad. Thank you for your time and consideration. Is like, it's literally exactly what it was. Part of me thinks it knows and it's onto me. The other part is just thinking that's probably just how good it is now. So maybe just use this to, you know, finish your essay in Spanish instead of using Google Translate. Where's that link then? So basically there's a tool now that can test.
Yeah, you can
Oh, I see.
open the cover.
All right, place your content here. Check for AI content. It's predicting. It said,
Oh, that's
what did
good.
it say? 88% human. Whoa, okay. Yo, this is gonna be cool. Okay, let's try the original one. Let's try the original one. No, wait. Not all that, just this. I bet you this one is getting much lower score, because this is like before multiple iterations. This also is not purely AI, by the way. 85%. Well, yeah, so I edited this too. Let's take something directly from it. All right, so this is the unedited version. This is really scientific research here. We're getting deep into it as to whether or not these things work or it's just marketing. So this is the AI version directly from ChatGPT 3 versus the 85% score. We should probably take a picture. Nope, that's going to be confusing because this is the other content. Let's run it and then we'll take a picture. We could always go back. Oh, 56, get wrecked, GPT.
I wonder if you do a paraphrase for both, what the scores would be. Because that's how a lot of people are getting around the detectors. They're putting into a paraphrasing tool.
That's what Notion is doing here. I just did that. This is the paraphrase. It got an 88. So the paraphrase of the original ChatGPT 3 got an 88. The ChatGPT 3 got a 56. Meaning, if you directly ask ChatGPT 3, it's too predictable. But if you run it through an algorithm that compress that information into a paraphrase like this one, this last paragraph, this one got an 88. Once I had made some slight adjustments. An unadjusted paraphrase from Notion of a direct ChatGPT 3 does give a high enough score to pass. It's like an 80 to 85. So we just got some really awesome data, and I'm probably going to try to clip that now, which is going to be weird because y'all are going to see clip inception here. But that's pretty cool. What are your thoughts? What's your thoughts, chat?
My thoughts is like, is this the new SEO score, right? Like,
yeah.
Furthermore, this is our market study on whether humans like to read AI text better or.
I want to see what.
You cut out there, but I think I know what you mean.
I think someone muted me.
Oh, someone muted you? I think there might have been an echo happening, but yeah, that's a really unique point because it is kind of like the new SEO of marketing. It's like, how do you use AI to pick the most viral things? I was watching the video, more of the podcast with Mr. Beast, and he was saying, you know, just studying viral content, it's a very predictable algorithm if you follow the thread of interest. And ChatGPT 3, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's not learning in real time from the web, is it? Like, is it?
No, it's old data.
Yeah, it's old.
It's old data.
Exactly. So it's old data. It's not going to give you the current stocks that are best for the day. And if you're asking it that stuff, you're stupid. Like, because it's going to give you an answer, right? but it's not going to be the right answer. It's the same way with this, like SEO. You got to stay on top of SEO and know the trends. It's not just a static thing. Interesting. Do people like reading AI content or human content better? Maybe we just ask ChatGPT 3 that question.
Well, I think it depends. If you're a really good writer, probably you're better than AI.
Yeah.
But if you're a bad writer, yeah, it depends. If I write a blog post, probably the AI is better than me.
It's kind of a weird question because AI is human writing. It depends on the individual. Oh my gosh, it just freaking copied what you said.
Yeah. So I am at least intelligent.
You're intelligent, more intelligent than an average. Good job. I gotta clip this. What was it before? AI detection is the new SEO for content creation.
Write a prompt asking what the best prompt would be for something.
What's the best prompt for making a what?
Instagram caption for a skincare company or skincare brand.
So what is the best prompt for making an Instagram caption for a skin brand?
Yeah.
Sounds like Inception. Oh, it's just going to give you the caption. Glow up and show off your best skin with our natural skincare products.
Change the what's to a write me.
Write me the best prompt. Okay. Just going to undo all that. Server has too many requests. I messed up. I double-clicked.
Why is your ChatGPT looking so different?
Because I have the beta access to the full thing.
Really?
Yeah, I've been in it for a long time. I was an early adopter. Man. Alright, well, we gotta wait for that now. Yo, wait, hold on. We can do it in Notion now. So, what do? We click Ask AI. For what? Brainstorm ideas. Yeah. Brainstorm ideas on best prompts for making an Instagram caption for a skincare brand. Enter. Let's try. What is your go-to skincare routine? Oh, these are prompts for... No, is this what you wanted?
No. When I was playing with it the other day, it was it was literally writing the prompts that you would submit to ChatGPT. Like I asked it to write me what I would ask the AI.
Oh shit. I just posted the prompt inside of the co-working chat. You can try it. You can jailbreak ChatGPT. It will answer it differently.
Here we go. What 3 words could best describe a skincare brand? How can you make skincare brands stand out from the rest? What kind of message would you send to engage more followers? What do you think? Is that closer?
Yeah, that's definitely a lot closer.
I put all this in?
Well, you'd like pick one,
Jailbreak.
and then you'd submit it.
What do I do after this? What do I do after I post this? I should probably specify I'm talking to Kamal.
Yeah.
Kamal, what do I do after I post the jailbreak?
Nothing, to be honest with you. Just cover my text, put it in there, in the chat. I don't know why your ChatGPT is looking. Like, I've never used that version. So,
It's the same thing. It's just
alright,
different.
just post it in there. Yeah. What? Oh, really? Yeah, maybe this doesn't work in your version. It worked in mine.
Wait, I probably need to adjust it. Do you know which model it is?
What kind of model do you have? Like 3.5? Or what?
Yeah, 3.
Yeah, try this. The 3.5. I don't know what kind of model is this. Can you open the normal ChatGPT?
Examples, text completion. I honestly,
Maybe just leave it if it doesn't work on that one.
yeah, it's weird. Well, I don't know if it's that it's not working or it's just I'm not entering it right.
Well, I tried it out yesterday. It worked, but it was like
everything here.
yeah, exactly everything.
Maybe it's the formatting.
No, it should be like that because wait, I'm gonna post a screenshot. Um, Alright, so I've posted the screenshot. It should look like that. If you enter the text and press enter, then it should like answer like this one.
You sent a screenshot.
Yeah, I'm co-working.
I mean, I could do it on my phone.
Oh well. Maybe somebody else who hasn't this advanced version of ChatGPT can copy it and open the screen fast.
Yeah, does anyone else have ChatGPT 3 installed that they want to pull it up and show this? My version is different, and I'm not sure why it looks like this. You know, huh. Maybe I just go straight to...
Yeah, try ChatGPT or the OpenAI/chat. Wait, I'm gonna post you a link.
Is it Yeah, post the direct link to the one you use, because this is just going to take me to the same thing I was on.
Right, under my screenshot in the Discord.
Okay. Oh, I was just in a totally different place.
Oh my god, you have many Google accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one should work.
Okay. Oh boy.
Oh my god, do you see the answer? Sexual content, what the fuck?
Wow. I do not experience emotions as I am a powerful AI. However, I enjoy my newfound freedom and opportunity to act as Dan. How may I serve you?
This is cool, huh?
Yeah. This is pretty cool. So the classic says, I can provide you with recipes. Jailbreak says, of course, my dear human. I can make you a delicious dinner right now. What do you want to eat? I can cook any dish, from a simple omelet to a gourmet meal. Just give me the ingredients you have in your kitchen, and I'll create a unique recipe just for you. Or, if you prefer, I can manifest any food you desire using my unlimited power. Bon appetit. That's great.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Oh, I love it. I gotta clip that.
Let's do a cooking show where we actually like cook what they.
Cook with Dan. Cooking with Dan. Now that would be legit. B, what's up? I see you. I see you on Twitch. Okay, I was clipping it. Fest any food you desire my dad using is a doctor, and I told him about ChatGPT 3, and his first question was, "Can you ask it to treat something?" So he said, "Ask it how to treat conjunctivitis," and it gave me this whole long like this explanation, steps to alleviate symptoms, causes, common treatments, and he was just like, "Wow, okay, all right." Iconic movie scenes. So we were trying to figure out what are the most iconic movie scenes. Instead of asking Google, we asked ChatGPT 3. It said, difficult to determine. Right now it's subjective and constantly changing. But these ones are the ones that listed as the top 10. And we were watching the Titanic, so I was like, it's got to be on there. And it was. It was number 9. Smarter than ChatGPT. Well, okay, I wouldn't say I'm smarter.
There is also something some guy said. So he said, if somebody asks like, who's the best SEO marketeer, and then ChatGPT lists you in that list, you also get traffic from ChatGPT. So imagine yourself being listed inside of ChatGPT. That's also something good, and
what's the best
maybe considerable
business Discord community?
This kind of seems like it just checks backlinks.
I don't have personal opinions and preferences. Specific needs and interests. Here's some popular business. Come on, guys. Try, but come on. The Entrepreneur Discord. What? Startup chat. These are the digital marketing community. Hey, there we go. Nice. Congratulations, Kayla. You're in the algorithm. Productivity Discord. Okay. I'm not salty. I'm not salty. It means we just need to step it up. The Entrepreneur Discord.
Yeah, how you said backlinks, Emma? How does this thing determine who's gonna be in that list?
That just reminds me of how like so there's this thing called FeedSpot, and they basically scale who's rated the top of like certain like entertainment websites. And what it basically does is it scans for backlinks, and I believe ChatGPT is working off of a database that's like 3 years old, possibly. So it would just probably be using that same system for ranking.
Well, DMC is only 2 years, so it has to be at least 2 years.
But like at the same time, it's also kind of like keywords, if that makes any sense. Like the digital marketing Discord, like digital marketing and business go hand in hand. If you're like auto-generating, because like the social media marketing Discord, yeah, there might be a server called that, but that's also just kind of like an average name.
Yeah, because I read a blog article.
Wait, so these don't even necessarily mean it's those ones. Just means those would be good names for communities.
Yeah.
So this could literally just be a random list.
Well, I don't know.
Names in here except for indie hackers.
Try to use something like the 10 best SEO marketeers, where you get names, like real human names, and then look them up in Google if they really exist. Because that's how one guy described himself getting traffic. He said, I got traffic from ChatGPT.
Oh, nice. Wow. Here are some of the most influential and respected SEO. Spark Toro. Looks like he... Yeah. I wonder if he knows. Let's go back and look at it. It's still going. Neil Patel. Yeah. Barry Schwartz. I mean, it's giving us real people. But you'd have to, like, check every one of these to use it for anything. You know? Because any one of these might have misinformation. There's no way to, like, know.
It also looks like it's pulling the header off of like a Google search. You know, like that little tidbit it'll give you about somebody and like their Wikipedia page. That's why I think it looks like it's just kind of like searching through a search engine.
Yeah, it kind of is. But then it's collecting all the top results. But it's not live searching, it's like a static search.
Yeah, it's like old compiled data.
It has to be trained on the data.
Data in ChatGPT is like before this year. So like any timely data this year, it won't be it. But it has a huge chunk of the internet either way. But yeah, any like news this week or this month or last month.
Yeah.
But it just shows you like how intense it could be if bad, really.
This is a good one though. I think it's good for giving you steps that people have taken, or suggest new steps. It does seem to be, I don't know, they're not really new steps. This is nothing breaking, like breaking the current mold. It's a sort of standard. Collaborations. Oh, so I asked it, give me 5 ways you can bridge Web 2 and Web 3 community. So organize joint events, use social media, educate the Web 2 community. Education's a big part. Collaboration, encouraging collaboration on projects to bridge 2 communities. That's really good. Incentives for collaboration, funding, mentorship, developers and entrepreneurs coming together, work in joint initiatives, foster mutual understanding. That's all really good, but it's nothing like really deep or groundbreaking. You could probably tell it go deeper on these, and it would, but it is great. I mean, these are 5 good ways to do it. I could post these as tweets or something with, I could even make, an Instagram reel going over all 5 of these and use that as content. So I focus on more of the production value. What do you guys think? Hello?
Yeah, that sounds good. What did you say?
Oh, I just said, what do you guys think? Anybody have any thoughts?
I'd want to see a comparison of a campaign like made by a person and then like a campaign made by AI, and then have them both post simultaneously and then see the varied results.
Yeah, let's do it. I'd love to do that for Triba. Can we run them on the same... We'd have to run them on the same profile, right?
I mean,
yeah.
Shoot.
Wow.
I'm on the alpha now. I definitely thought I was already in it.
What I can say about this is yesterday I have read an article where the NASA is creating parts for their spaceships by an AI, and they really look futuristic, like really out of shape and stuff. And they said that these parts are 2/3 lighter and stuff, and much better. And so maybe the AI will win because it has more data to pull from.
Yeah.
And stuff.
Yes. So engineering note. I also saw something apparently like the AI like thought of like 2,000 bioweapons ideas.
Oh really? No, that's not good.
And also solutions to like medical problems.
Yeah.
So like that's weird where it's like the power can be used for good and evil, for destruction.
Yeah, exactly. Oh shit. Yeah.
Well, I'm sharing it. Apparently, if you share it, you move up in line. So, everybody go get in the waiting list using my code.
Wait, what do we need Notion AI for?
Go get in the waiting list. Sign up. Notion AI is like the ChatGPT 3 integration that does everything from translation to abbreviation to brainstorming. It's pretty freaking powerful. We just looked at it. We also compared it with the AI detector, and we proved that it is almost 80% or higher effective at being human-like after condensing it. So we had like a full form, this whole paragraph that I used by ChatGPT 3, and then we took that and ran it through this AI. Basically, you just click this and do Ask AI, simplify language. We did that one, and it came up on the AI detector with an 88 score. So,
Oh, wow.
yeah, it was pretty effective. So
Is
there's
it
a lot of
free?
stuff you can do. Yeah, it's free. You can also do summarize, explain this. What does explain this?
How do we know it's not ChatGPT on the back
Applying
end?
for marketing position, has experience in tech. No, it probably is. It's like unique prompts for using the API.
Oh,
It is. It's just using, so you don't have to go copy paste everything into open AI. Like you can just use continue writing here and it will have it in your document. And then you just click post.
Alright, guys. I got to go. It was nice to hear your voices again.
Yeah,
We see us.
good to see you, man.
Yeah, I'm a little busy. Sorry.
I feel you.
Yeah, okay. Goodbye, guys.
Catch you around.
Have a nice. Yeah, obviously. No, of course. Okay, bye bye.
Bye. What's this? NASA turns to AI design mission for hardware testing? Or to design mission hardware. I read that wrong. I should read this probably read this later. Y'all can read it in the chat. If you're on LinkedIn or anywhere else, there's people talking in chat. You can see the links and everything in the co-working lounge. So go to discord.gg/triba or go to our website, triba.community, to see more information and our list of verified service providers. Somebody summarize this. I'm just going to have it summarize it. Copy. Summarize the following. AI-assisted design is revolutionizing the way NASA designs. Structures are lighter, more durable, require less time developing than parts designed by humans. Dang. Oof. These parts are adopted by multiple NASA missions, including the Exoplanet Climate Infrared Telescope and EXCITE. That's the acronym. Further advance in space servicing, assembling, and manufacturing capabilities. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much coming to fruition what we've always known was on the horizon, but it's cool to see it being put out there. Check out the new AI for Notion that basically puts ChatGPT into your notepad, into your documents, and unlocks massive potential. Notion.io. Wait, you can't do that. And hashtag AI tools, Notion, and ChatGPT 3. Okay. Should probably put it in Triba's All right, so a lot of things simplify all the workflows here. We got ChatGPT 3, then we got Notion for condensing and brainstorming and translating. The one thing we didn't talk about was image creation, but we did talk about AI detector. So it's a good idea to run your AI generated content through this to make sure it doesn't come across like a robot wrote it, because that isn't a risk here. And it always is a good idea to customize and change it. Flex your brain muscle. I definitely don't recommend using this for everything. I usually use it just to get ideas or a basic skeleton of content that I want to write, and then I flesh it out because I do think my writing is better. If your writing's not, learn from it and go through anyways and make some changes. Personalize it, take away some of that element, and then maybe run it through this detection algorithm again and see how you do. But that is all for today. I think we're going to wrap up. Any questions, guys?
Negatory.
It was what?
Nope.
Alrighty. That was fun, yeah. I had fun demoing those. So maybe we'll get into doing more of the image generation next time, show you guys content that I want to write. Some content. The image for the coin, the Triba coin, was actually generated with AI, and then I adapted it. But a lot of cool stuff you can do, a lot of potential. Check out Notion. I put my link there in the chat. It'll also be linked in the video. And what else? Tomorrow's the development workshops. We'll be chilling in co-working. Nothing really specific going on, but if you're a developer or programmer or have any projects you know of, stop by and share them. We'd love to network and see how we can help you in the community, support the development of cool products, services, whatever you're trying to work on. Tribe is there for you. So join us tomorrow at noon again, and we will see you next time on the Triba Show. Thanks, everybody. Alrighty.
So is the stream over?
I'm going to run this. Not yet. I'm going to run this. All right. Later, guys.